Hello everyone. Today our topic is air purifier, presented by Nikhil Bundli and Srikar Nagiredipalli. What is air purifier? An air purifier is a device that cleans the air by removing contaminants such as dust, pollutants, smoke, and other airborne particles around us. Materials used. The materials used for the production of air purifiers can vary depending on the type of purifier and its intended use. However, some common materials used in air purifiers include filters. Air purifiers typically use filters to trap pollutants such as dust, pollutants, and smoke. Plastic. Many air purifiers are made of plastic, which is lightweight and durable. The plastic can be molded into various shapes and sizes to accommodate different types of filters and fan systems. Metal. Some air purifiers, particularly industrial or commercial models, may be made of metal. Metal is sturdy and can withstand heavy use. Electronic components. Many modern air purifiers use electronic components such as sensors, timers, and controls. These components may be made of various materials including plastic and metal. Fans. Air purifiers use fans to circulate air through the filters. The blades of the fan may be made of plastic or metal. Housing. The housing of an air purifier is typically made of plastic, metal, or a combination of both. This outer casing protects the filters and other components from damage and may also contain vents or other openings to allow air to circulate. Types of filters. The most commonly materials used in air purifiers are HEPA filters, high-efficiency particulate air filters. These are made of densely packed layers of fine fibers that trap small particles as air passes through. These filters can remove 99.97% of particles larger than zero point 0.3 microns. Activated carbon filters. These filters are made of charcoal and are effective at removing odors, volatile organic compounds, and other chemicals from the air. Ultraviolet germicidal irradiation. This technology uses UVC light to kill bacteria and viruses in the air. Ionizers. Ionizers release negatively charged ions into the air, which attach to positively charged particles and cause them to fall to the ground. Working principle. The physics behind air purification involves the principles of particle physics, fluid dynamics, and thermodynamics. Air purifiers use a combination of filtration, adsorption, and sterilization techniques to remove contaminants from the air. As air passes through the purifier, the particles are trapped or destroyed by the materials used in the device. Cost to produce. The cost to produce air purifiers can vary depending on factors such as the type and size of the purifier, the materials used, and the manufacturing process. Additionally, the cost can vary depending on the location of production and the economies of scale involved in mass production. However, in general, the cost to produce air purifiers has decreased over time due to the advancements in technology and more efficient production methods. With the increasing demand for air purifiers in recent years, manufacturers have also been able to take advantage of economies of scale, which has further reduced the cost of production. It is difficult to provide an exact cost to produce air purifiers as it varies greatly depending on the specifics of the product. However, the average cost to produce a basic air purifier ranges from $20 to $150, while more advanced models with additional features and larger coverage areas can cost upwards of $500.
Social outcome. The social outcome of air purifiers can be significant in both the short and long term. Here are some potential social outcomes. Im- Improved indoor air quality. Air purifiers can help remove harmful pollutants such as smoke, allergens, and volatile organic compounds from indoor air. This can have a positive impact on the health and well-being of people who suffer from allergies, asthma, or other respiratory conditions. Reduced health problems. By removing pollutants from indoor air, air purifiers can reduce the risk of health problems such as respiratory infections, heart disease, and lung cancer. This can result in fewer hospitalizations and doctor visits, which can lead to lower healthcare costs. Improved work productivity. Poor indoor air quality can lead to headaches, fatigue, and reduced concentration, which can impact work productivity. By improving indoor air quality, air purifiers can help employees feel better and work more efficiently. Reduced environmental impact. Air purifiers can help reduce the environmental impact of indoor air pollution by reducing the need for chemical air fresheners and other products that can release harmful pollutants into the air. Advancements. Air purifiers have undergone significant changes over time, both in terms of their technology and design. Here are some of the ways air purifiers have become evolved. Improved filtration. The filtration technology used in air purifiers has improved significantly over time. HEPA filters have become more widely used, which can capture smaller particles than older filters. Additionally, activated carbon filters and ionizers have become more common, providing additional methods for removing pollutants from the air. Portability. Air purifiers have become smaller and more portable over time, making them easier to use in different environments. Many air purifiers can now be placed on a tabletop or a desk, and some are even designed to be worn around the neck. Features. Modern air purifiers often come with additional features such as remote controls, air quality sensors, and smartphone integration. Some air purifiers also have the ability to adjust their speed or filtration based on the current air quality. Improved energy efficiency. As the energy efficiency has become more important, air purifiers have become more efficient in their energy use. Many modern air purifiers are designed to use less energy than older models, reducing their impact on the environment and saving consumers money on their energy bills. Disadvantages. Expensive. Air purifiers can be expensive, especially those with advanced features such as UVGI. Noise. Some air purifiers can be noisy, which can be a problem for light sleepers. Maintenance. Filters and other materials used in air purifiers can be replaced regularly, which can be costly and time consuming. Energy consumption. Air purifiers consume energy, which can increase electricity bills over time. Limited effectiveness. Some air purifiers may not be effective in removing certain types of contaminants, such as chemicals or gas, from the air. Improvements. Air filters have come a long way in recent years, but there is always room for improvement. Here are a few areas where air filters could be improved. Filtration efficiency. While HEPA filters are highly effective at capturing airborne particles, there are still some ultrafine particles that can pass through. Research is ongoing to develop more advanced filters that can capture even smaller particles, including viruses. Longer filtration lifespan. Many air filters need to be replaced every few months, which can be costly and inconvenient. Research is being done to develop filters with longer lifespans as well as filters that can be cleaned and reused. Quieter operation. Some air filters can be quite noisy when running, which can be distracting and disruptive. Developing quieter fans and other components could make air filters more pleasant to use in quiet environments. Better energy efficiency. While air filters are becoming more energy efficient, there is still room for improvement. Developing more efficient motors, fans, and other components could help reduce energy consumption and make air filters more environmental friendly. Lower cost. Air filters can be expensive, particularly those with advanced filtration technology. Developing cost effective filters that are accessible to more people could help improve indoor air quality for everyone. Thank you.